In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add reports to your records in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over to your HubSpot Global Home, and then onto this case, click on Reporting and click on Reports. Once you have done that, you can see all of the reports that you currently have so far. So on my case, as you can see, I don't have any reports yet. So what we can do is we can click onto this Create, and let's head over and click on Create Report right here. Let's create a custom report. So click on Next right there. Click on Next, identify some things you want added for the data sources. And once you have done this, you need to make sure to ensure that the report is saved to your actual account. Input right here what will be added for the fillers as well as the x-axis as well as other options that we have right there. Just drag the fields that you want right here and then choose how it will be breakdown. Once you have the report, head over and click on Save right here. Input right here the report name as well as its description. You can head over and add it to your dashboard right there. And let's add it to an existing dashboard. Choose right here the dashboard that you want, or you can also add it to a new one. Click on Next, and then input the dashboard name, and then save and add. Once you have done that, you should be good to go. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.